Hello guys, today we're gonna redo the ElevenLabs without the limit. Since the last one got patched, this will be the second time I'm gonna upload. So the first thing you're gonna need is to go to temp mails. I'll put it in under the description so you find it. First, get the email and you have to copy it and then paste. I just make the same password as the email so I don't waste any much time. Sign up and then it'll send a verification link. Go to that link, click it, and successful. So now you just sign in with the same email and same password. Generate. It works. Now let's try it again if you guys don't believe it. I redo. So delete it. So basically it's like if you're at the limit, you can like always make a new one. Copy the email, paste, agree, sign up, check the email again, click the link, paste the email, password, and see, it works again. And thanks for watching, and if you guys have any feedback, please leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching.